Right, this is the COSORI dual fryer. I had originally bought the 5.5 litre and loved it so much. That's the way it comes. It's got, wait a minute, it's got the drawer that just fits in there. It's dead easy to use. You know, it has steak, chicken, fish, prawns, bacon, and then chips over this side. It's so easy to use. I was going to Slimming World and everybody said, you've got to get an air fryer, and how right they were. But anyway, back to this one. I was so impressed with that, I bought my daughter one. So I ordered this one as, you know, you've got food in this, so you get 2 compartments in this one. It is quite a bit smaller, as you can see, but it comes with this little divotty thing that goes in the bottom, you know, so that no fat gets anywhere. Also, these are brilliant. I got these on Amazon as well. They fit in perfectly, so you're not having to clean the whole thing out. You've just got the rubber thing. They also fit perfectly in this one. So they're a good buy. But this little one comes with, in one drawer, this, which if you're doing fish and chips, it's great to stand up the fish because it gets really crispy, or anything you want to stand up in there. And it also comes with this for doing kebabs and things. So it's a really, really good little fryer. It too, you know, it one side, and then you can do right or left-hand side, and it works exactly as the same as this. But they are a great buy. I did my homework, as I say, and I reckon the COSORI is an excellent air fryer. So I'm delighted with both of them, and I haven't used my oven ever since. My big, huge oven, and I wouldn't bother to replace it when it's gone, because these guys do the job better than the oven.
Use it all the time. As you can see, easy controls. It's got air fry, roast. I use the roast a lot for the chicken and whatnot. Bake, pizzas, toast, reheat stuff, keep it dry. It's even got preheat on it. It goes up to 220 degrees Celsius, and it's got whatever time you want on it basically. It's got a roastery on it where you put your chicken, press that, and then it starts spinning around and things. Also does potatoes, etc. But yeah, good bit of kit, love it. And so does a wrap bag. As you can see, there you go.
I don't want to. just fired this up for the first time after getting out of the box. It's on preheat, and as you can hopefully hear, really noisy. Let's see if that noise disappears once it goes into cooking mode. But shame really, because first impressions, quality is nice, the appearance is good, but not sure I can put up with that noise, considering other air fryers that friends have got are virtually noise free. So wait and see.
Hi, this is the COSORI rotisserie. We were doing a chicken the other night in the rotisserie, and this part here in the side wall, it seemed to, it caused a problem. It fell out, and the chicken fell, it stopped rotating, and it's like a part fell from here and went down inside, and let's see if we can get it. You can hear it rattling around. Alright, there you go. Thank you. Bye bye.
Airfryer.